313 of 2024. अगर इन्होंने फाइल किए तो बता दें.
इसने
ये PMLN की है सर.
My lord, we filed it in 312. That is because these are two identical reviews.
ठीक है, ठीक है.
And if they are filed in one after second law, even कोई time बाद review भी होता है तो we need to have
चल ठीक है, वो 2 में
सर
है.
ये नोट कर लें because I will seek to question the maintainability
ठीक हो
of
गया,
this.
ठीक हो गया. We will note
जी,
today.
कि इसमें कोई नहीं फाइल किया है और ये नहीं फाइल कर रहे हैं. फिर है सिविल, जरा सिकंदर मुझे वो दे दीजिएगा 51 वाला, आप अपनी कॉपी दे दें so that I can argue. फिर जी 1051 सिविल रिव्यू पिटिशन नंबर 319 of 2024 and civil review petition 320 of 2024. इसमें कोई नहीं है additional ground.
What is the effect if it is not there?
So there's no certificate. If there's no certificate,
If in one case they have filed the additional grounds to cover up one review at least,
जी.
so then what it makes difference if the all review petitions are to be heard consolidated?
जी. If there are two and one party has filed in one, it may not have an effect. But if party has not filed any, then that review is not maintainable.
But if they filed even in one case, virtually it covers all or not?
No, it doesn't. ये mandatory आपकी judgment में
I understand, but at least to the extent of that review petition,
बिल्कुल.
the grounds are fulfilled.
Yes, but the rest may be dismissed, then that's my argument.
If we consolidate all the proceedings, if we consolidate all these, then it will not be a part of the.
No, my lord, every review has to be seen as separate because they've taken separate grounds. There are different parties. These are different parties. These are not the same parties.
Judgment is it's a single.
These are not the same
It's a
parties.
single judgment. Every review petition has raised a separate ground, challenging or targeting the judgment of the 8 members. So if we
Sir, then you may dispense with the Supreme Court rules as far as when there is a
No, we are not
when there
saying,
is
Mr. Faisal, you are just mixing the rules. We are only saying that even if one review fulfills all requirements of the rules, then even that can be considered. What would be the effect of that review
yes,
on the?
and my argument would be the rest of the reviews. Rest of the reviews in which Supreme Court rules have not been complied with have to be dismissed.
That effect will be considered at the time of final decision.
Yes. So now, my lord, there were two questions which were asked. There were two questions which were asked last time. Let me just address that. Her ladyship had asked about the symbol of SIC. Symbol of SIC, it is horse. But
it was the symbol of the political party.
yes, but he had contested, the respondent number 2 had contested as independent and from NA 104 Faisalabad, and he had contested with a symbol of tower. Now why he did that, I'll explain. Now as for your lordship's question,
this is not issue before us.
नहीं.
Why somebody had contested on such?
नहीं मैं पूछा था.
No, सिर्फ सत्य पूछा.
नहीं पूछा.
Why can you पूछा?
मुझे जरा सेटिस्फैक्टरी आंसर नहीं मिला. आपने बताया था कि आपने बाद में जवाब देना है. उसका ये है कि ही हैड अ पॉलिटिकल पार्टी सिंस 2013 और वो उसके बावजूद चूज करता है टू कंटेस्ट इलेक्शन ऑन एज ए इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट. तो उसका प्रोसीजर क्या होता है? देन ही जॉइन बैक अगेन हिज पार्टी के क्या ऑटोमेटिकली वो फिर सुन्नी इत्तेहाद का चेयरमैन बन गया. प्लस पीटीआई बैक्ड इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट्स जो थे वन द इलेक्शंस, उन्होंने फिर एक इंडिपेंडेंट कैंडिडेट को ज्वाइन किया क्योंकि बिकॉज ये पार्टी तो अंदर पार्लिमानी पार्टी में और पॉलिटिकल पार्टी में फर्क होता है. and this question was asked by my lord Jamal Khan in the earlier proceedings, اور اس کا اس وقت بھی کوئی پراپر جواب نہیں آیا تھا کہ پارلیمانی پارٹی جو الیکشن جیت کر آتی ہے وہ پارلیمنٹ کے اندر آتی ہے تو یو آر ٹو جوائن. اچھا دوسرا فیصل میرے دو سوال ہے اس کو بھی ساتھ لیتے جائیں. اس ججمنٹ کے ذریعے جو وچ از انڈر ریویو کانسٹیٹیوشن میں امینڈمنٹ کی گئی ہے تھرو اے ججمنٹ, کیونکہ جو 3 دن ہوتے ہیں جوائننگ کے اس کو بڑھا کر 15 دن کر دیے گئے, اور رائٹ ٹو ووٹ has been declared as a fundamental right, which is not. فنڈامنٹل رائٹس میں وہ نہیں آتا, دیٹ از اے کریشن آف اے اسٹیچیوٹ. تو وہ رائٹ آف ووٹ جو ہے وہ بھی ایک فنڈامنٹل رائٹس میں ایڈیشن ہو گیا, امینڈ ہو گیا کانسٹیٹیوشن تھرو دس ججمنٹ. اینڈ 3 دن کا جو دن ٹائم دیا تھا وہ انہوں نے 15 days کر دیا تھا. تو دیٹ از آلسو این امینڈمنٹ ٹو دا کانسٹیٹیوشن. کین دیٹ بی ڈن تھرو اے ججمنٹ آف the Supreme Court?
The way I will address all these questions is I will rely on the reasoning of the majority judgment, and I think the majority judgment addresses all these questions. And similar to the question of Justice Ali Bakar Naqvi Saab about this arrangement between SIC and PTI, when I read the portion of the judgment which addresses that, I will address your lordship's judgment. And there is a reason I want to stick to the judgments. There is a reason, sir. Because I want to follow the principle of review as laid down in numerous judgments, and of course the judgment I had read out, authored by Justice Mazhar, that I will not convert this review into an appeal. I will not re-argue the case. I will stick to what is really, and I will stick to the judgments. There are these 4 judgments. Whatever argument I make, I will make by reading the paragraph of that judgment. The most I will refer to is my main appeal, because there are 1 or 2 documents which are not there, and maybe another document. So this is one of the ways where I will stick to the principle laid down. I will not convert this into an appeal. I will treat this as I will not re-argue. And number 2, in order to save your lordship's time, I think I cannot improve on the reasoning given by the majority, of which Justice Mazhar and Justice Hassan Azhar Rizvi are a party, my lord. My lord, if
reference by the majority judgment.
جی بالکل, بٹ
وہی انڈر ریویو ہے.
جی نہیں, یہی کمپلیکیشن ہے, بیکاز ایز فار ایز سم پوائنٹس آر کنسرن, 11 judges have agreed on that. There are certain, نہیں سر, بڑی اس کی, no my lord, یہ پوائنٹ نہیں, ججز نے خود لکھا ہے, and there are author judges which are saying, I don't think I will be contradicted.
What do you mean, Faisal, whether this review is against all 3 judgments?
If, my lord, they are seeking a review of certain fundamental findings of the majority judgment, then that would mean that as far as those findings are upheld by 2 of the dissenting judgments, those findings are also wrong. So what they cannot do.
No, but it was for you to file the review, na? If you were not satisfied with the minority judgments.
I'm not, sir, میں نہیں کر رہا ہوں.
نہیں, پر دیکھیں آپ جو بات کر رہے ہیں نا, بیکاز یہ بات تو پھر ایک نئی چیز اوپن ہو رہی ہے اس سے, کہ جو ریویو پٹیشنرز ہیں, they have filed the review petitions only against the majority judgment, 8 members of the bench, okay?
Yes.
If you treat the review for all, then the other judgments, what do you mean by that then?
I was going to explain. What they cannot do, of course, reviews are not